Hi, it's Adam from WebStarts. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 steps to marketing your website using WebStarts. WebStarts is a free website builder, but it's also a whole lot more. For example, you can create a fully functional online store and a content marketing machine using the WebStarts blog. Let's jump right in and get started. Go to webstarts.com, click on Get Started. It's free, and then on the second step, be sure to choose whatever template you would like. Now, all of these templates are 100% customizable, and they can be changed at any time, so don't worry if you can't find one that seems like it's exactly what you're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and log into my existing account because I've already set up this for the demo. Once I'm logged in, you can see all of the websites that are in my account. With WebStarts, you can create multiple websites within a single account and then use those websites either as complete websites or landing pages. If you just have the one website in your account, you'll see what's called the dashboard, and you can get there by just selecting the website. You can always toggle between the websites in your account by using this drop down in the top left. If you want to edit the contents of each of your pages within your website, you do that just by clicking in on Edit Site. It's important to remember that WebStarts has a unique drag and drop feature. It means you can drag elements and drop them wherever you want to appear on the page, so you can create a truly unique website that really conveys the value of your products and services. The first thing that you're going to do is create either that website or landing page, and that's kind of step one of your marketing method, and that's why you'll want to use this easy-to-use drag-and-drop editors to create those pages. You can create a new page just by clicking File, New Page here, and make as many pages to your website as you would like. But for this demo, I'm just going to take this single page and show you how I added a form to it, and that brings me to the next step that you're going to want to do to market your website online, and that's get traffic to it. The best way to get traffic is to get found when people type in keywords and phrases on Google to look for products or services like yours, and the way to optimize for search engines is to click on the pages icon and then click on the settings icon to the right of each page name. Go to the section that says Page SEO, that stands for Search Engine Optimization, and then be sure to include the keyword and phrases people use to find products or services like yours in the title and under the keyword section, and using natural language in the description. You'll want to go through each one of the pages of your website and do this, and it will give you the best chance of getting these pages found on Google. When you're ready, just click Update, and as always, you can click Save to publish those changes to your live website. Once you're getting people to come to your website, you're going to want to capture some leads. The best way to do that is to use a form. WebStarts comes with a built-in form builder. You can double-click on this form, and you can add whatever fields that you would like to this form. You can gather things like the email address, name, phone number, so on and so forth. Clicking on the Form Settings tab, it's important that you keep a good email to send the form data to when somebody submits a form online, and also that you select a mailing list where to put these emails once somebody's submitted the form, because in step 4, we're going to have to follow up with each one of these emails. When you're ready, click Update, and of course you can change the look and feel of your forms and things like that. Now, once you've gathered that data, you're going to go ahead and go back out to the dashboard, and you're going to be able to follow up, which is step 4, by clicking on the email marketing application. Now, the email marketing application is a paid feature, but I tell you, it's well worth it. What happens when you open this up is you get your various email lists. You can sort your leads into different lists depending on what they're inquiring about, and then you can view those leads. But I want to draw your attention to 2 main things that you'll do at the email marketing platform. The first one is send out a broadcast email. You can do that to all lists or just a specific list. You create your email here, and that's perfect if you're running a sale or you just want to communicate to everyone that you've gathered lead or contact information for. The next one is the autoresponder. I like to use the autoresponder just to keep in touch and follow up with my customers. I send out an autoresponse immediately, 3 days later, 7 days later, 14 days later, and 30 days later. But you can add those as frequently as you'd like, and you can edit the contents of each autoresponse just by clicking Edit. This is perfect because it reminds you or reminds the people who inquired about your website where to go to find you again, what it is you do, and why you want to do business with them. Moving on to step 5 is collecting payment. Once you've talked somebody into coming back to your website and you've got them all excited about your product or service, you'll probably want to collect payment. And WebStarts comes with a complete integrated store builder. I'm going to show you what that looks like in just I changed over to another account that has a built-out store, and the store application is active, so I click on the application. When you create a WebStarts store, you're automatically configured to be able to accept credit card payments through Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover with a partnership that we have with WePay, but you can also change to other payment processors by clicking on the settings tab and then choosing to use either Stripe or Authorize.net. And you can also do things like accept PayPal as your payment method as well. Most of your attention wants to go to the products category. That's where you set up your products, you create a title description, add images, keywords, videos if you want, pricing, and you can even do things like assign your products to different categories, enter the shipping information, and sell products by variant. So for example, if you have a shirt and you want to sell it in small, medium, large, or red, blue, and green, you can do that using the WebStarts store. You can even sell digital products. So if you're selling music, video, an ebook, or software, then you can do that as well. Inside the store, you have everything you need to manage your customers after sale, which is last but not least part 6. So if you go on orders, you can find order information for each customer, and you can even enter in tracking information. When you do that, it's automatically transmitted to the person who placed the order, so they're never worried about when they're going to get their package. They're always staying up to date, and then you can view the order information by clicking on the view icon as well. There are some other features to the store. For example, you can create coupons, and you can do that by flat rate or discount. You can have those coupons expire or leave them never to expire. And of course, you can customize your coupon code as well. If you ever need to look up a customer record, there's tons of places where you can do that under customers if they're a store customer. And there's even a feature where your store customers can create a login so that they can come back and buy from you again without re-entering their credit card and shipping information. And you can manage their contact information from this panel here. There's also an app in WebStarts that allows you to prospect your customers. It's called Contacts, and that is just kind of a supplemental thing for the form. It shows you what those people filled out in the forms, and then you can create custom form fields to gather information about those contacts. So that works kind of as a CRM, and that is step 6, which is following up with your customers. So that's it for this video. I know I moved fast, but I had a lot to cover, and I don't like to make the videos too long. So be sure to go back and watch it again if you need. And also, I'll cover the 6 steps of growing your business online. Number 1 is creating a website or landing page. Number 2 is getting traffic to your website, and the best way to do that is by optimizing it to get found on Google. Number 3 is gathering lead and contact information through forms. Number 4 is following up with that lead information using the email marketing app. Number 5 is collecting payment and converting leads into customers. And number 6 is taking care of your customers by having a good way to look up their orders and get them to come back and do business with you time and time again. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel to be the first to find out when we release a new product feature or video. And as always, be sure to enable notifications. Thanks for watching.